So you're trading in the Forex market, you sign up with a broker as you're told to do so, and then you get to the section of leverage and you're asked to choose what leverage you want. But what is leverage? How does it work? Why is it important? What's a lot size? All of these are components that are necessary for beginner traders. In this video, you'll learn all about leverage and lot size and how to use them in the Forex market. Let's go. All right, everyone, welcome back to the video. Today, we're gonna learn all about leverage and lot size. Let's start with leverage and why traders use leverage at all in the Forex market. Now, leverage is the ability to trade a larger amount of capital relative to your account size. Now, why would traders even use leverage? Why is it necessary? Well, that's where we get into lot size. In the Forex markets, there are certain types of positions that you can take. The first starting with a standard lot, which equals to 100,000 units of that currency, followed by a mini lot, which equals to 10,000 units of a currency. And we also have a micro lot, which is 1,000 units of a currency. Now, what all this means theoretically is if I wanted to take a standard lot position on a currency pair, I would have to buy or sell 100,000 units of that currency pair. Usually, most traders don't have a six-figure account, so they'd be completely out of the loop. What if I wanted to use a mini lot? Well, in a mini lot, I would still need to be able to buy or sell 10,000 units of a currency. And in a micro lot, I would need to buy or sell 1,000 units of a currency. So if we think about it, most traders starting in the Forex market don't really have a six-figure account to be able to take a standard lot, don't even have a five-figure account to be able to take a mini lot, and most times they don't even have enough capital to take a micro lot position. So how are they even able to trade? Now, this is why your broker allows you to have leverage. There are different types of leverage, and there's also restrictions on leverage depending on the country. For example, the US gives a max leverage for about 1 to 30. And what that means is if I have $100 in my trading account and my broker allows me to have 1 to 30 leverage, then if we take the $100 that I have and multiply it by 30, then I have the ability to trade with $300 in the Forex market. Now, it sounds good, I get to control more capital, but still not the most practical. 1 to 30 leverage is okay, but if I could get a little more, maybe I could trade with less money. And this is what most retail traders do. Usually they sign up with unregulated brokers overseas, which allow them to use leverages of 1 to 100, 1 to 500, even 1 to 1,000 or beyond. Now, if you think about it, with my $100 account, if my broker is allowing me to have 1 to 500 leverage, then 500 multiplied the $100 in my account gives me control of $50,000. So now if I do want to take a mini lot, which is 10,000 units, I am able to do that because I have the leverage to do so. If I have $1,000 in my account and I have the same 1 to 500 leverage, I'm able to capitalize on $500,000, which means even a standard lot at 100,000 units is possible because I have leverage. Now, traders have to be very careful with leverage. Leverage could be a great thing, but it could be a very, very bad thing as well. It's very dangerous for new traders to use so much leverage because they can end up blowing their accounts so quickly due to lack of knowledge and experience in the markets. Not to mention some brokers that give absurdly high amounts of leverage could be a little shady, and you want to make sure that you have a broker that's not going to do anything shady or even run away with your money. That's why I trade with Sway Markets. It's a regulated broker and even gives me up to 1 to 500 leverage, and I recommend it for you guys as well. So now you see the importance of leverage in the Forex market. So now going back to lot size, when I take a standard lot position, essentially what I'm doing is risking $10 per pip. When I take a mini lot position, what I'm doing is risking $1 per pip. And when I take a micro lot position, I'm risking 10 cents per pip. So overall, leverage and lot size go hand in hand. And it's very important for any trader in the Forex market to understand how they work and how they should be applied. So I hope you gained value in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, everyone. Jordan the Maestro. Until next time, take care.